My goal for you and for me this year is to make it so that you don't get burnt out and you can continue doing this and get crazy, amazing results. It's New Year's resolution season, and you're probably wondering, what workout plan do I need to follow in order to finally reach my New Year's resolution? Because 2025 is going to be the year. And I'm sure 2024, 2023, you've probably tried plans, and within the first few days, maybe even the first week, you have fallen off track because it's been not sustainable, too hard, or life just got a little cray-cray. And here's the thing, I always make it a goal to make it something that fits into your lifestyle so that you don't have to make all these crazy changes in your life just to hit a workout for the day. And this is exactly why I created the Strong Foundations plan. I know how overwhelming it can be trying to find the right program to start and trying to find a program that meets you where you're at with your needs, with your lifestyle, with everything going on in life. And more often than not, especially during this New Year season, we get really, really motivated and then that kind of burns out. So my goal for you and for me this year is to make it so that you don't get burnt out and you can continue doing this and get crazy, amazing results. The Strong Foundations plan is built for you to literally do it at home with just a set of dumbbells. No crazy gym equipment, no fancy gym membership, just a simple plan at home that is going to work for you. I've shared this before, but when I started strength training, I was really nervous to try new exercises, and I always felt like I needed somebody to do the movement before I would do it so that I knew I was doing it correctly. And that is exactly how I've created these workouts for you. I'm going to do the workout before you and give you the full rundown of exactly how to follow along. I wanted to make it so that we're literally like holding hands during the workout. We're literally doing this workout together, you and me, in your living room, in your basement, in your garage, in your bedroom, wherever you're doing the workout. To make this even easier for you, I've created a Strong Foundations plan that you can follow along. So you can screenshot that here, and you can put a little emoji or something over every single day. You can cross it out when you're done. And remember, because you are here, you are a strong sister. And as a strong sister, we are not focusing on perfection. We're just focusing on making little daily efforts so that we can stay consistent in the long run. Because look, none of us are perfect. We're not gonna be hitting workouts 5-6 days a week all the time. But the goal is to be able to get consistent and even do a little bit of the workout, even if it's just 5 minutes. So if you're feeling excited to jump in, be sure to click the link on the screen here so that you can join the playlist and you can follow along with us. And while we're on this journey improving our physical health, if you also want to improve your nutrition and find a way to lose body fat without having to track calories and follow a really rigorous plan, be sure to check out the link in the description below and you can follow along to the 4-step body blueprint. Now let's get started and get moving, because remember, we're stronger when we do it together.